it's Danielle over at 𝐷IYDanielle.com, and today I want to show you how we're going to install this Eglu Hutch onto our outdoor run. So what you're going to do is you're going to take off one of your panels. This is your bottom panel here, and this is your first step. So you're removing any of these clips you've got. See, there's a clip here, there's a clip here. You're going to remove all those, save them for something else. You think I should keep these on? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So some of this is digging because we've had this up here all summer, so the dirt's kind of sunk down and we covered it a little bit. I got one more thing here. So once we get this off, we're going to add these panels here. Okay, so we are going ahead and removing this piece here, this panel, and I guess you could save it to use for something else. I'm not sure what, but you know, whatever. I'll throw that right there. And now we're going to place these panels on with the same clips. You need my help? So it's pretty much the same setup. You're just leaving your room for your hutch to attach. I'm going to move this one for you. That's in the way, isn't it? Boom. Okay, so you're just connecting it using the same clips you use to put the whole thing together. So you see all these. I use a lot of zip ties because I find them a little bit faster than these, but these work great and they're removable without cutting and plastic waste, so whichever you prefer. Okay, so now that the panels are attached, we're going to get our hardware out. And of course, we already put together our hutch separately. So we're going to just line it up with the front here. Is that a good position?
I think so.
And you're see, these screws here are going to go through the wire so you can attach them. I'm going to come to the other side. Okay. So you've got your washer and your bolt and your nut, wing nut, I guess. Now we purchased this. I think the guinea pigs probably would have been fine with the clear covers on the sides. There's still a lot of wind coming in. There's only 2 clear covers, and there's a clear top underneath the tarp that I'll remove when it gets a little colder out. But it's pretty toasty in here, even though it's been kind of windy, and it stayed pretty dry over here. We've got our water. However, I wanted to be sure that they had an even warmer spot to go in case they get cold. We do have a few freezing days, especially once it gets to like February, March, where it gets to be like 15 degrees or something Fahrenheit. So I wanted to make sure they had a nice warm place to go. We can stuff it with some hay. I am going to discourage them from probably pooping in there as much as possible. So the feed and water will be out here. I try not to feed in the bedding area so that it doesn't encourage them to go to the bathroom in there. It just helps keep things clean. This is very easy to clean for us. We've been, I mean, right now we have to rake out the hay. We've got a lot of extra hay in here. But we've been using a blower to just blow the poop right out into the back, into the garden, which works out really well for us. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else to do, right?
Just maybe tighten up the zip ties with a few more clips to put on. Yeah,
we could probably add some more clips here. This, you pull it up and you turn it and it opens and closes this. I'll come around to the other side and show you the other side. Here's our pond here. And on this side, you can open. You got your hay rack, which I'll probably take out. And you've got your bowl. Again, we're going to put that on the other side so we don't have them. I probably won't even use the water. For guinea pigs, I worry a little bit about them getting their heads caught in here. So I have a fabric hay rack over there. And again, I want to encourage them not to eat in here. That is so they keep this area clean. So I'm going to pull this off. This goes in here. I will say I've heard that raccoons can turn this. So some people buy like one of those baby proofing locks to go over here. Have not had issues with this. This is inside double fencing, so I'm not worried about a raccoon getting in here. So it's not a problem for us. But the other thing I've had happen is my son will close it like this on our rabbit cage and he'll forget to lock it and then it'll pop open. We always catch it because it generally the wind will blow it over or the rabbit will knock it over. With the guinea pigs, I'd worry about that. So it's not a bad idea to have one of those hooks, or you can get one of those stove oven covers and put it over here. So yeah, there it is. That's all there is to it. It's now attached and we're good to go. Hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Take care.